Hello and welcome from the Twingo channel. Today I actually got a part in the ignition coil and fitted it. I didn't have much time today to actually do a full video when the light was going, but I've actually put a brand new coil and it's got new leads as well. It's all built in, and the car is running sweetly. So I think it was a bad coil causing the misfire. It's running superb. It's been running now for about 10 minutes now. It's ticking over nicely. So yeah, it's possible that again I'll monitor the steam situation at the back and let you know what's going on. Just a quick update. Thanks.